Muskmelon is one of the most commonly consumed fruits, especially during summer season, because it's really good in taste and is also very beneficial for our health as it contains vitamins, minerals, as well as fibers. Often we consume the fruit and throw away the seeds, don't we? But do you know that both fruit as well as seeds are really beneficial for our health? So in today's video, we'll be telling you how can you store melon seeds and why do you need to store it. To begin with, we'll remove the seeds from the fruit. Often this is the most discarded and unwanted portion of the muskmelon. However, after watching this video, you would not like to throw away these melon seeds. So we'll collect the melon seeds in a bowl and we need to mash it properly because we want to soften it up. We actually want to remove this pulp from the seeds. So using your hands, we'll remove the pulp. It will take little time, but roughly you can remove the pulp as much as possible. You can see the way we are removing the seeds from the pulp. So this is the pulp which we are removing and we'll keep the seeds in the same bowl. These are seeds from one melon piece. After roughly collecting the seeds in a bowl, then we'll add water. We'll mash it again. And you can keep this seeds soak in water at least for 1 to 2 hours so that the pulp softens up and it would be very easy to remove the seeds from the pulp. Add little more water to it and now we'll keep it for soaking. After a few hours, then we'll sieve the seeds and the pulpy water using a sieve and then we'll rub it again. This time the seeds are mostly clear from the pulp which was there initially. Now we'll wash it again in running water so that all the seeds are absolutely clean and there is no pulp attached to it. Keep on rubbing it. Do it at least for 5 minutes. And here you can see my melon seeds are washed properly. After washing, you can either dry up these seeds and store it or you can either peel away directly. Now, why do we need to store these seeds? These seeds are really nutritious for our body. It actually contains rich amount of healthy fats, proteins, beta carotene, vitamin A, C, iron, etc. These seeds are used to increase appetite. So, one can fry these seeds, saute it or add it in your favorite desserts or salads. So likewise, I have stored this one box of melon seeds. So next time you eat muskmelon, do not throw away melon seeds. Wash it, store it and enjoy the health benefits of these seeds. I hope you liked our today's kitchen tip. For more such tips and tricks, check out the links which are flashing on the screen here. Subscribe to Healthy Kadai. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.